Hi, after watching the video, I'm gonna explain you step by step how I edit it. So the first thing, I recorded small videos in photo booth. So this is photo booth, and here are all the videos that I recorded, small ones, to prepare this video. So the first thing that we are going to learn is how to transfer a video to iMovie. So this is the first one. I'm gonna pass it to my desktop.
Dear colleagues, in this workshop, we are going to...
And now I have it here in my desktop. So I'm gonna open iMovies. Create new. It asks me movie or trailer. You can practice on your own trailer. It is a function that is interesting and fun to do. I'm gonna go straight to create a movie. So now I have it here, and it says drag and drop video clips. So you can have a video from your phone that you put it in a folder. You can have it from photo booth. I have it from photo booth, so I select this and I put it here. Now I have my video, my first video in iMovie.
Dear colleagues,
Okay, you can see that in the sound here, it is indicating me where I start talking. I started talking here. So I can come here, right click, split clip. Now it's gonna start right away.
Dear colleagues, in this workshop, we are going to learn some tricks that you can do with iMovie. First, the title.
And here you can see that I spend some time to stop it. So again, I'm gonna click here, right click, split clip, and I delete it.